All right, so we're at Home Depot and we're going to look around and see maybe there's some plants that we can get. All right, now we're safe. All right, well, we're going to see what they have. They have all their outdoor stuff there. We'll see if they have any new lawnmowers as well. Oh, look at that. That's a good, so this is a really nice. This is ours, yeah. This is the XT1. This is the one that we have at home.
Yeah, this is the new one we got, right?
Yep. Yeah. Maybe they have the battery now. We'll have to see, right?
Can I tell something?
What?
I think this is real somehow a new one we got.
The new one that we got?
Yeah.
The new lawnmower?
Yeah, I think the bigger two are from over here.
We bought ours at the Boston Lawnmower Company.
Sorry.
But Harrison, come here. Look at these two.
Yeah, look at Steve.
Oh, look at this guy. This guy is like Murray.
We're gonna try down it. Look how high I am. And you can get no God in your life.
I've never seen this brand. The Murray riding lawnmower. $2,000.
Let me go here. Where's the key? Maybe one drivers have it.
I don't know where they put the key. Huh.
Maybe them have it on there. Oh, go.
The engine, yeah.
Maybe them have it.
13.5 gross horsepower. I've never seen this one.
Wait a minute, we have seen this one.
Look at this one. Yeah, this is a nice John Deere Zero-Turn mower.
You get some dead people though. And some dead people. Oh! That is not the same as that one, right?
No, so this one is number one. This is John Deere, and that's Ryobi over there. And number two, this is a gas one, and that one over there is electric. Yeah, we like the John Deere. Probably should have bought a John Deere, honestly, but
Yeah, we should.
but Cub Cadet, we have some of the accessories, so we like Cub Cadet.
You guys, I'm down with my. I already looked in your guys.
You already looked in there? So yeah, here's their mowers. When we were buying our mower at the end of last year, most of these were out of stock. But like I said, we've had a Cub Cadet for many years. Usually it's been a pretty good product for us. And we have that, yeah, so you know what, so what is this for? Do you remember what this is for, Harrison?
No.
This is to say how high off the ground the deck goes.
Yeah, and then how high, that's how high. Wait a minute, I look at find it, when they pull it out real easy. Where you can do it down. You don't need to put anything up.
That's right. And this is probably the filter back there.
Okay, Dad, can I go? You can move.
Hey, let's look at that last one. So this is the S120, this is the S100.
But you can, that thing is big old and thin one.
Yeah.
That's all I need. Whoa, that is so forward. Then you got it balance. You got it. What the heck? The gas is done to it?
The gas is in the back. Where's the battery on this one?
I don't know. Maybe
At the front? Yeah, there it is right there. There's the battery in this.
That is so silly. Oh my God. I'm going to sit down and go forward.
So this one,
I'm turning on all of it. Yeah.
I know, now it's nice and bright. Same kind of setup, yeah. So they got John Deere, Cub Cadet, Ryobi, and Murray, which, like I said, I have not seen a Murray. We've been looking at stuff for a while, Harrison,
There's
and I've
so-
never seen the Murray. Can we go back and look at the Ryobi for a minute? I'm very curious. That's the first time I've seen the full size.
That one?
Yeah, that's the first time I've seen the full size zero-turn mower.
Hey, my two.
Your shoe got lost?
Yeah, one right.
What? How'd you do that? Here.
I don't know.
Well, sit down on the. You can carry it over and put it on while you sit down.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna look in the back. This is the batteries. Yeah, we can go look at that one. This is for 40 watt. Yeah. Or 40 volts. All right, jumping back to the Murray, right? So, reverse, neutral, going forward. Yep, that's the height off. See how that goes up and down.
Look at that. I'm going to make it all the way up. But I can't. Too hard.
You want some help getting it up?
Yup.
Move your arm.
Whoa. That's a real good one.
Yeah.
Whoa, wait a minute. What is that? Whoa.
That's to mow, and when you're starting it to mow or not. So that starts it mowing, and then when it won't work while we're sitting here, and then you move it up to turn it off. So that's what turns the blades on.
Then when I move it up a little bit,
Yeah, don't. Yeah.
I do that.
Use your hands on it though. I don't want it to break something.
Wait a minute. Take one hold. Wait a minute. Is that too?
Battery. Most of them. Yeah, most of them put the battery in the back.
Oh, yeah. Bye. Go on, you're going to.
Yeah, very interesting. That one there. A little stripped down. So this one, Harrison, is electric. $7,000 for this one. You want me to show you where the battery goes? Okay, go show me.
Right here.
Some of them, yes. So you open this up right here, and you can put one battery there.
One battery here.
Well, no, I think that's a battery charger for like a phone and stuff like that.
Yeah, I think that would.
But look back here. So you push this,
Yeah.
and these are big batteries, really big ones in here.
And we have it too.
These are 80 volt
What?
batteries, yeah, and these are 40 that go in here.
What the heck?
So lots of space. You have nice little control panel here.
What the heck? I did not know that even.
Look at that.
You can even an 8 tone. Right here.
Another charger.
Right here. Come on. Then
Yeah, another USB. They have a couple of those. Clear beggar chute.
You did literally pull you.
It's a little so it doesn't have like the other zero turns, the two controllers.
I thought they didn't really have to get it.
But that raises the deck. Yeah.
Look, me. I'm gonna put it back down.
Can you raise it back up? I want to see. I'm gonna look underneath here. Let's see.
Exactly one. I'm going to dump it too.
42 inches.
I need.
You looking down there?
I can do you. I can do. I found something under. I can't put my hand under. Too fall.
So this is really interesting, Harrison. It's so this one says 3 acres of charge, recharges in 2.5 hours. Pretty crazy.
And if you want, and if you don't want to do that, you can put it like this.
If you
You can hold on.
you can push it in the back if you need
Or
to.
you can hold stand on it when you're little kid, and the big kid can ride in front of it.
You can have 2 people driving on it.
Yeah,
Look at that. Yeah, I guess you could. Very interesting. Yeah, LCD display.
Need that. Ready.
We were told this is really hard to press. Let's see, press that. Is it? Oh, look at, yeah, you you were able to, now press it down and lock it. Whoa. Oh, you did it. Good job. This is the time to buy a lawnmower in the spring. Are you done looking at lawnmowers? Are you done looking at lawnmowers?
Yep.
Hey, you see what you have on your shirt? Look at this. It says, "Just a boy who loves lawnmowers."
Me.
And a sticker. Rock on. I'm coming. Oh, look over here. I wanted to see. Still got some snow throwers here. Nice.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Are we growing it in our garden?
Melons?
Yeah.
Maybe. I mean, we can decide what we want. I want to see what plants they have. It may be a little early for the plants. I think we're just a little early. It's just turned spring, so yeah. See, they don't have a lot of plants yet. It's coming soon. Now is the season to plant bulbs and things like that. He's underneath here.
Yeah, you can.
No, I think it's the same one.
But you can do here. Wait, over here. Wait, it moved.
The bunny?
Hey, wait there. Him heady.
Yeah.
He moved. That time moved and that time moved over there.
There's a bunny in there.
Yeah, it's a really cool bunny.
Usually they only have birds, but they have bunnies in this one.
But the Deere bunny too now. This is so much cool when you have bunnies here. Oh my god, it's so cool to it.
I think he ran off, or bounced off that way over there.
No.
He's over there.
Yeah.
Bunny.
Bunny is over here. Right there. Think of easier and I can go. I know that. I can do it really easy. I'm gonna go ahead.
You're gonna look?
Guys, turn on this, guys. Wait a minute, see? I can see his head.
Yeah, there he is. Yeah,
Where is
he went that way.
Ow.
Yeah. I have not seen this one here, I think, but they don't. Maybe it's an older model because they have it kind of hidden out in the back.
No.
Looks like it's been through the ringer a little bit.
And put back, please.
You're getting big enough, you might soon be able to touch the pedals. Look at that. Try pushing the pedal when you're on there. Almost.
All done?
Yeah, I think we're done. All right.
What did them say?
They're asking for help in the blinds department.
Where did buy the pumpkin?
It's inside.
Can I go see?
You know what blinds are?
No.
Blinds are essentially like window shades.
Oh, can I go see?
All right. Well, here.
But
Can you
I
say
can't go where the need help, like.
no?
I
So,
gotta be wanting them help.
Harrison, can you say bye-bye to everyone?
Goodbye, everybody. We gotta go see some buys. And goodbye, window people. Goodbye. Goodbye. Be alive.